The job description of an electrician centers around the installation, maintenance, and repair of electrical systems in residential, commercial, and industrial environments. Electricians are critical to modern infrastructure, ensuring that buildings, machinery, and equipment function safely and efficiently. Their work includes everything from wiring a new home to repairing high-voltage transformers or setting up power systems in factories. This profession demands not only technical expertise but also strict adherence to safety protocols and regulatory standards. Electricians are employed across a variety of sectors: construction, manufacturing, utilities, and even the entertainment industry. They might work independently, for a contractor, or as part of a maintenance team within larger organizations. Their responsibilities can range from simple tasks like installing light fixtures to complex projects like designing electrical layouts for new buildings. As electricity is a fundamental component of all modern systems, electricians play an indispensable role in both development and maintenance. The scope of the job depends on the electrician's specialty. Some focus on residential services, working in homes to troubleshoot issues or conduct upgrades. Others specialize in commercial or industrial systems, which often involve more complex machinery and high-voltage equipment. Regardless of specialization, the core requirement remains the same: delivering reliable, code-compliant electrical solutions that prioritize safety and functionality. Primary responsibilities of an electrician. Electricians are tasked with interpreting technical blueprints, diagrams, and specifications to plan the layout of electrical systems. This includes determining the best locations for outlets, switches, circuit breakers, transformers, and conduit systems. Once planning is complete, electricians carry out installations using appropriate tools and materials, ensuring all components are securely and properly connected. A significant portion of an electrician's role involves maintenance and troubleshooting. When systems fail or show signs of inefficiency, electricians inspect wiring, fixtures, panels, and equipment to identify the problem. This might require testing circuits using voltmeters, ammeters, or oscilloscopes to locate faults. Once diagnosed, electricians repair or replace defective components to restore system functionality. Safety is paramount. Electricians must follow stringent safety guidelines to prevent accidents such as shocks, fires, or equipment damage. They must wear personal protective equipment, PPE, use insulated tools, and ensure all work complies with local electrical codes and standards. Regular inspections are often part of their duties, especially in environments like hospitals or factories where reliability is critical. In addition to standard wiring and maintenance, electricians often handle more specialized tasks. This includes installing solar panels, electric vehicle chargers, and smart home systems, reflecting the growing demand for green energy solutions. They may also assist in energy audits, helping buildings reduce electricity consumption by identifying inefficiencies and recommending improvements. Electricians working in industrial settings frequently maintain and repair motors, control panels, programmable logic controllers, PLCs, and factory automation systems. They must coordinate with engineers and production teams to minimize downtime and ensure smooth operations. In some cases, electricians are on call for emergency repairs, requiring them to respond quickly to restore power or fix faults. Midway through examining these responsibilities, it becomes clear that the job description of an electrician encompasses far more than basic wiring. It is a multifaceted role that requires precision, adaptability, and a strong understanding of electrical principles and safety standards. Skills and qualities needed for the role. To succeed as an electrician, one must possess a solid foundation in math, physics, and mechanical concepts. Understanding voltage, current, resistance, and power calculations is essential for diagnosing problems and designing efficient systems. A good grasp of geometry and spatial reasoning helps electricians plan installations and route wiring effectively. Attention to detail is crucial. A small mistake in wiring can cause equipment failure, fire hazards, or serious injury. Electricians must follow instructions and blueprints meticulously to ensure safety and compliance. Equally important is problem-solving ability. Electrical systems are complex, and when issues arise, electricians must think critically and act swiftly to find practical solutions. Manual dexterity and physical stamina are also important traits. Electricians often work in cramped spaces, climb ladders, or stand for long periods. They need to be comfortable using hand tools and power equipment with precision. Good vision and hand-eye coordination support their ability to handle fine wiring and small components. Communication is another valuable skill. Electricians must often collaborate with other professionals such as architects, engineers, contractors, and safety inspectors. Clear communication ensures that everyone is aligned on goals, timelines, and safety requirements. Additionally, electricians must explain issues and solutions to clients in a way that is easy to understand. Technological literacy is becoming increasingly important. Modern electricians frequently use diagnostic software, digital blueprints, and smart devices to enhance their work. Familiarity with home automation systems, energy management tools, and IoT-based equipment can provide a competitive edge in the field. Time management is a practical necessity. Whether responding to service calls or working on long-term construction projects, electricians must complete tasks within deadlines. Delays in electrical work can hold up entire building schedules, making reliability and punctuality vital attributes. Work conditions and professional growth. Electricians work in a wide range of settings, indoors and outdoors, at heights or in basements, on construction sites, in factories, or in homes. The job can be physically demanding, involving lifting, climbing, and exposure to the elements. Depending on the project, electricians may work regular hours or have to be available nights and weekends, especially when handling emergencies or operating in industrial facilities. Safety risks are always present, from electrical shocks to falls and burns. That's why electricians receive comprehensive safety training and are required to adhere strictly to regulations. Most countries mandate licensing or certification to ensure electricians are qualified. This often includes completing an apprenticeship, passing exams, and meeting continuing education requirements. Apprenticeships typically last 4 to 5 years and combine classroom instruction with hands-on training. After completing the apprenticeship, individuals can become journeyman electricians. With further experience and certifications, they may advance to master electrician status, allowing them to supervise teams, pull permits, or start their own business. Career prospects for electricians are strong. As infrastructure expands and older systems need upgrades, demand for skilled electricians remains high. Emerging trends like renewable energy, electric vehicles, and smart home technologies are creating new opportunities in the field. Electricians who stay up to date with industry developments and continuously refine their skills can enjoy long-term job security and financial stability. Electricians can also diversify their careers. Some move into inspection roles, ensuring that installations meet code. Others become project managers or electrical estimators, focusing on budgeting and planning. Entrepreneurial electricians may open their own contracting firms, while others find roles in education or consulting. Conclusion. The job description of an electrician reveals a dynamic and highly skilled profession that plays a foundational role in the functioning of modern society. Electricians don't just install wires, they ensure that homes are livable, businesses stay operational, and industries function safely and efficiently. Their expertise is not only in tools and terminals, but also in critical thinking, collaboration, and innovation. For those who enjoy problem solving, working with their hands, and making tangible contributions, becoming an electrician offers a fulfilling and respected career path. Whether building tomorrow's infrastructure or maintaining today's essential services, electricians continue to be vital contributors to safety, progress, and energy efficiency.